Alright, we're back at home. That was a good breakfast. I had to do the bagel twice because there's two sides of it. It only does one side. This is the part I'm dreading, which is the dishes. And I realized that there really isn't much space to put the dirty dishes versus the clean dishes and the trash and everything. I mean, I could cheat and go inside, but then we're not getting a good test here. Like 10 liters of water, is that enough to do this? I don't know. Well, first thing we need to do is get rid of the trash. I need to come up with some sort of trash bin that's sealed. In order to do the dishes, I actually got to clear the sink out. So I guess I'll use a towel. I mean, this is a lot of dishes just for one breakfast. Yuck. All right. Well, here we go. I don't know how this is going to work. I got a bucket. What I realized is I need some sort of another bin like this. That way you can put the clean dishes in after you're done. There's the paper towels. I don't like this water here. It's not good. All right, so normally I would sit on the toilet as a thing and use the sink, but I really need the space. All right, let's try something different. Yeah, not looking like an easy thing. Let's do. Here's what we do. Oh, okay. Sorry, my ass is in the picture. All right, move the pillow. Sit on the toilet. This is hilarious. Put the dirty dishes on a towel on the bed. It's not an ideal situation here. Alright, but that works. Are we going to run out of water? That's the question. Don't know. Soap. Yeah, this is one of those things I think I would just get a bin, a collapsible bin, and basically just let it soak. This is working. I don't know how long this will run. I don't know how much water, how long the water will last, but I can tell you one thing, it's making a huge mess. Alright. Yuck. Oh, fuck yeah, really? Shut off. I forgot, it has two different buttons. Yeah. So the tank holds 10 liters. I don't know how many gallons that is off the top of my head. Alright, we gotta put this somewhere. Bucket. That's clean. I love how this thing keeps turning off. Fucking hilarious. Okay, more soap, please. Seriously, I think a big collapsible bin, and then you just fill it up with water and soap, and then maybe rinse it in the sink. I don't know. Oh, this is going to be a lot of shit mess. This is making a huge mess. Okay. Yeah. So I'm definitely going to need to get towels for the inside, because otherwise it's going to rot the camper. If you're still watching, don't bitch how long this video is. Yeah, that's the problem. So this little mirror here, which I thought I would use for shaving, is not going to work because it splatters all over it. And the water splattering back onto the wood, which is not good. I've got so many plates here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that maybe the solution is to fill up the sink with soap, water, and eggs. definitely, I don't think this sink is great for doing dishes. I need to come up with an external kitchen. This is actually working, but... Alright, so basically, get some water in the sink, put the soap in, wash it. Still gotta dry it, or excuse me, rinse it and then dry it. Well, let it dry. It's clean. It's just soapy clean. Ugh, yuck. Not what? Son of a bitch, there's a fork in there I couldn't see. Give me a little more water. I think I'll have enough water to do this. I don't think the sink holds enough though. Alright, so this plate is just loaded with butter and eggs, and I kind of like this shut-off feature here. It's meant to fill 16-ounce bottle, but I like it because it's like not wasting water. So we're just gonna put the soapy ass shit here on the bed. Yeah, we need to build something as a backsplash for the sink, or just use this as a not a dishes type of sink, just water dispenser. Maybe brushing your teeth or something. You know? That's not going to cause too much. I advise doing dishes outside of the vehicle. That's what I'm learning here. Everything's a learning experience. Yeah, one thing left. That's the pan. This is only like an 8-inch pan because it's just me. I don't need to cook up a storm. Of course, the egg is kind of stuck to the non-stick coating. Way to go, stupid, whoever made this plan. Actually, it's not sticking to the pan, but it's sticking to the rivets. So what I need to do is bring out a brush, which I have somewhere in there in this vehicle, but I just don't know where it is. The silicone is not really working too well. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of gray water here. Okay, so how do I rinse shit? Don't know yet. Guess we could just do this. Yeah, I don't think there's any chance I'm going to run out of water. Not at this rate. But I can tell you one thing, it is definitely a mess. Ugh, it's dripping everywhere. So that's clean enough. So I can put that in the bucket. We've washed 3 things so far. The sink is starting to fill up. So, yeah. Oh, I still see some fruit on here. Ever heard of paper plates? I think this is a dog bowl. Holy shit, this is making a mess. Hurry up, you're wasting water. Sink is about halfway full. All kinds of crud in it. Almost done. Getting to 3/4 full here. What a freaking mess. Okay, dishes are done. I'm in a bucket, which means I need to get something that's collapsible. Because, well, you know, you gotta put it somewhere. That'll dry on its own, but I think the important part is what I've learned here, which is this mess it makes. Holy shit. A huge mess. More paper towels. More. Yeah. this case, a freaking huge. This is, holy shit. How much water we have used. I'll have to look. I'm gonna dump this somewhere. You're not supposed to do this. It's called gray water, but fuck it. Alright, so, yeah. Should put that on the roof, it'll dry real quick. Actually, no, there's food in it. Nice. Now, here's the part I don't like. There's water everywhere. Shit. The back of the wood got wet. So, this piece here, I actually had custom made because this was wood, and I don't want that to rot. But I'm realizing that even with this plastic, unless this whole piece is changed, it's still gonna rot. Is there any water in here? No, luckily nothing got to the bottom, but you have to be careful. Everything's so jammed in here. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna look into like a bin of some sort that you can just fill it up with water, slosh it around with some soap, and then rinse it again or whatever, because doing dishes is just not great in such a small space. But it did work. I have to make sure this dries now. Alright, well, learning experience for sure. Get takeout. Probably easier.